Hey fellow truckers, I wanted to share a few thoughts on the factoring options out there so you can decide which one actually fits your operations. When you look into this, you'll hear two key terms, recourse and non-recourse factoring. Recourse factoring is the most common. It just means that if the customer never pays the invoice, let's say they go out of business, you're ultimately responsible for paying that advanced money back to the factor. Non-recourse factoring gives you more protection. With non-recourse, if the customer fails to pay because of a credit reason, like bankruptcy, the factoring company takes the loss, not you. This service costs more, but it's like having a credit insurance on your invoices. Many truckers misinterpret the non-recourse terms, assuming it completely covers all types of bad scenarios, but it does not. Any performance-related issues are not covered by non-recourse, such as load disputes, missing PODs, inaccurate documents, unpaid fuel, overtime, or lamper charges. The non-recourse with all the major factoring providers in USA covers credit risk only, meaning the broker files Chapter 7, Chapter 11, or it's actually a formal business dissolution. I'm highlighting this to you guys so you do not fall into the trap if the rep states, hey, sign with us, our non-recourse covers everything. Trust me, it does not, and request a copy of their contract. Consider factoring? Visit us at solchakfactoring.com. We leverage our buying power and reputation to match you with the ideal provider for your specific needs.